Hi friends, welcome back to Maths Diary. Today we are discussing about our third chapter in 6th standard fractions. In this video we are describing times and parts as multiplication. Now we are just recalling the things we have studied in the previous classes about fraction. In this picture we have to see a picture of a cake. Here we are taking a portion of that cake using a spoon. We are just called it as a piece of that cake, and in Malayalam we will just say that ആ കേക്കിൻ്റെ ഒരു കഷ്ണം അങ്ങനെ നമ്മൾ പറയും. So നമ്മളപ്പോൾ മാത്സ് in the language of mathematics, how can we express that piece of cake? We can't tell it as a cake. A cake means a whole cake. But how can we represent a piece of cake in language of mathematics? Here we are just using fraction. Here we are dividing that cake into 10 equal pieces. Here we are taking one piece. So here we are just expressing this like this. Here we can just read it as 1 by 10. That is, when we divide that cake into 10 pieces, one piece. It represents the one piece from 10 pieces. Here 1 is the numerator and 10 is the denominator. How can we express this in terms of fraction? Here we are divide this circle into 7 equal parts, and also we are colored 2 parts. Then we can write the colored part as 2 by 7. Here we are colored the full portion of that circle, so it's 1. In the second picture, the circle is divided into 2 equal parts. Then one part is 1 by 2. That is the half of that circle. In the next picture, we are divide that into 4 equal parts. So one portion is called 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 4. In the next picture, we are divided that circle into 4 equal parts. We have colored 3 parts, so we can write it as 3 by 4. Now we are discussing about some unit conversion. We already know that 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Then what is 500 gram? Yes, we are just dividing the 1 kilogram into 2 equal parts. One part is 500 kilograms, that is half kilogram. Then what about 250 gram? That is 1 by 4 kilogram. And what about 750 gram? That is 3 by 4 kilogram. Just like that, there are another unit conversions are there. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter, and also like that 500 milliliter equal to half liter, and 250 milliliter equal to 1 by 4 liter, and 750 milliliter equal to 3 by 4 liter. Also we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, and also half meter means 50 centimeter, and 1 by 4 meter means 25 centimeter, and 3 by 4 meter means 75 centimeter. Just remember these things. Now we are discussing about multiplication and times. Look at this picture. Here is 3 bottles are here. A bottle can hold 250 milliliters. How much water do we need to fill these 3 bottles? We know that each bottle can hold 250 milliliters. So the water need to fill the 3 bottles is 3 into 250 milliliters equal to 750 milliliters. Also we can say this in words. 750 milliliters is 3 times as much as 250 milliliters. Also we know that 750 milliliters equal to 3 by 4 liters. Look at the picture. There are 4 bowls are there. A bowl can hold 500 gram of sugar. How much sugar do we have to fill these bowls? We know that each bowl can hold 500 gram of sugar. The amount of sugar we need to fill the 4 bowls is 4 into 500 grams, that is equal to 2000 gram. We can write it in words as 4 times as much as 500 grams is 2000 grams. And we already know that 1000 gram is 1 kilogram. So 2000 gram means 2 kilograms. We can also write it as in another method. That is, we already know that 500 gram is half kilogram. So 4 times as much as half kilogram is 2 kilogram. That is 4 times as much as half is 2. So as we write 4 into 500 for 4 times 500, we can write 4 times 1 by 2 as 4 into 1 by 2. That is 4 into 1 by 2 equal to 4 times 1 by 2. That is equal to 2. Our next question is, what is the total weight of 2 pieces of pumpkin, each weighing 250 grams? The next is, what if the weight is put in kilograms? We know that each piece of pumpkin having the weight 250 gram. We can get the total weight of 2 pieces of pumpkin by adding the weight of each pumpkin. That is 250 plus 250 is 500 gram. Next we want to convert the gram into kilogram. Here we already know that each piece of pumpkin having the weight 250 gram. 250 gram equal to 1 by 4 kilogram. Then 250 gram plus 250 gram equal to 1 by 4 kilogram plus 1 by 4 kilogram. That is 2 times 1 by 4. That is 2 into 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. That is 250 gram plus 250 gram equal to 500 gram. That is 2 into 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. Our next question is, what is the total length of 4 pieces of ribbon, each of length 75 centimeters? Next is, what if the length is put in meters? Here we know that each piece of ribbon having the measurement 75 centimeter. So the total length of 4 pieces of ribbon is 75 centimeter plus 75 centimeter plus 75 centimeter plus 75 centimeter. That is 300 centimeters. Also we can write 300 is 4 times 75. Next we want to find the length in meter. We know that 75 centimeter is 3 by 4 meter. Here we are just adding 75 in 4 times. That is 4 into 75 equal to 300 centimeter. We already know that 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. So 300 centimeter is 3 meter. Also we can write it as 4 into 3 by 4 equal to 3. That is 3 meter. Our next question is, 1 cup can hold 1 by 3 liter of milk. How much milk can we pour in 2 cups? The next is in 4 cups. From the question we know that each cup have the capacity to hold 1 by 3 liter of milk. We can get the total milk pour in 2 cups is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, that is 2 by 3. Just do that problem and get the answer. Next is in 4 cups. 1 cup have the capacity to 1 by 3 liter of milk. So we want to find in 4 cups. So we are just multiplying 4 into 1 by 3. Then we will get the answer as 4 by 3. Thanks for watching this video.